Good evening. Thank you all for coming out. It's very nice to see a full room. We start the Torah, Parshat HaShavua, can I say, in the wrong place. Obviously, we should be starting with Parshat Bereshit. And instead, every year, because of the way the calendar works out, academic year, we begin Parshat Noach, a week after Sukkot, a few days after Sukkot. It works out to be Noach. It's been rarely, in the many years I've taught, have we started with Bereshit. So you might say that's just a quirk of the academic calendar, but it's always seemed to me wrong. Instead of beginning with creation and then getting to destruction, all right, there's creation, there's life, there's birth, there's an amazing environment called Gan Eden with everything your heart could possibly want. And then something happens. There is a sin, there is whatever the right word to use for it is. And so they are expelled. Adam and Eve are expelled. And that's the beginning of things going wrong. But first there is, and then we get to Noah, where 10 generations later, people have really gone to the bad. It's hopeless. It's a hopeless situation. And God destroys the whole world. Surely, birth comes before death. Let me put it like that. With the metaphysical implications of that the world begins with joy and with fulfillment. God's will, God's light is fully absorbed in the world. And then it's rejected in one way or another. And then there's death and exile and destruction. So we begin with Parshat Noach. And as I say, it's always felt a little wrong to begin that way. This year, something happened. A couple of things, just small things, came my way this last couple of weeks. One was a Shabbat table, a conversation at a Shabbat table, where one of the hostess, was very passionate about her question, but why do human beings mess up so quickly? You know, why is it that right away there is things going wrong, things go off? And at first I didn't pay too much attention to the question, because I thought, right, that's the way it is. And then she was so passionate about it, she was so insistent on it, that I listened to her. And I began to hear what's troubling her. What's troubling her, essentially, is the sense almost that really things going bad is the basic fact about human life. And that the good time before, the ideal creation, the birth, in a way is almost just a preamble to things going wrong. How long did it take for Adam and Eve to sin? Adam and Chava. How long did it actually take them? How long were they able to enjoy Gan Eden? Less than a few hours. And which day of the creation of the world?